Is it ever gonna end? I'm talking about child custody. How long is this child custody case going to take? My name is Ron Payne. I'm the CEO and managing partner here at Apple Payne Law in Kernersville. And a very fair question that we get is, how long is all of this going to take? Obviously, every custody case is a little different. If there's emergencies, you get to the courthouse a little quicker. But in the normal course of things, typically from the time we file, you'll have about 90 days until you have that first temporary custody hearing. That's why when we put out that video the other day, with it being February when we shot that, I know it's a long time until we get to summer vacation. But if it's going to be 90 days until your first custody hearing, well now, we're in mid-February, we're going on March. We don't want you to get into June or July and then all of a sudden you can't have booked any vacations because you weren't able to get anything. So 90 days to that first temporary child custody hearing. They'll hear a little bit of evidence. Typically, you only get 2 to 3 hours for your case to be presented. The court makes an initial kind of a quick determination about what we're going to do for custody. They're going to typically go towards 50-50 unless there's a really compelling documented reason. You can't just say they're on drugs. Somebody has to have been arrested for it, or they have to have failed a drug test, or there has to have been paraphernalia found around the kids. We can't just say, well, I think they're on drugs, and then the judge go, oh, well, of course, there you go. Now, anything can happen in court. I've seen things that shouldn't go sideways go sideways. So you want to plan on taking 90 days to that first custody hearing, and then to get a full custody hearing where they hear the whole thing and they make a permanent decision. Permanent in North Carolina means 2 to 3 years, so they're not going to come back and visit it every 90 days, but at least you've got something in place that's more long-term for that. And then, so of course, if circumstances change, they can always revisit at the courthouse. But to get to that permanent custody hearing typically takes anywhere from 6 to 12 months, and I've had it take as long as 12 to 18 months for a full custody hearing, because you're going to have to line up court dates. You're going to have to line up witnesses. Typically, you're going to need 2 to 3 days of court time for a custody case, maybe less. And so if you need longer than 2 days, it takes a lot longer to get those court hearings in. Now, can some cases move faster? Absolutely. But if we're talking typical, we're looking at 90 days to temporary custody and 6 to 12 months for permanent custody. I hope this has been helpful. If you find yourself in a situation where you need to have an attorney help you with custody of your children, you don't want to do this by yourself, let the team at Apple Payne Law be there for you by your side. We help families navigate life's important decisions, and we can help you. Reach out to our office for a low-fee consultation. You can call us at 336-281-6928, or you can visit us on the web at applepaynelaw.com. I hope this has been helpful. Like and subscribe here on YouTube for more helpful, friendly legal content. And until next time, have a great day.